This is the seated cable row. It targets the back muscles. Pull the bar to your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades. Control the weight back to the start. Feel your lats and traps working. Let's target the back with cable rows. Pull to your torso, squeezing the lats and rhomboids. Control the negative for maximum growth. Finish strong. Hold that squeeze. Pulling back engages the lats and traps. Squeeze at the peak to activate the rhomboids. Control the release for full muscle engagement. Pull the handle toward your lower chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Keep your core engaged and back straight. Slowly extend your arms back to the start.
Pull the bar down to your upper chest, keeping your back straight. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the bottom. Slowly return to the top. That's 1 rep.
The seated cable row targets the back. The primary muscle is the latissimus dorsi. Secondary muscles include the rhomboids, trapezius, and rear deltoids. Pull, squeeze, and control the release.
Let's do a seated cable row. Pull the handle towards your torso. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Control the weight on the return.
Let's do the lat pull down. Pull down, squeeze your lats. Control the weight on the way up. Feel that back activation. Let's do a seated cable row. Pull the bar to your torso, squeezing your back muscles. Control the weight on the way back. Breathe out as you pull. Let's target the back with seated cable rows. Pull the bar toward your torso, squeezing your lats. Control the release for maximum muscle activation. The seated cable row targets your back muscles. Pull the bar to your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades. Control the weight as you extend your arms. This builds a strong, defined back.
Let's do the seated cable row. Pull the bar to your chest, squeezing your back muscles. Control the weight on the way back. Feel your muscles working.
Let's break down the seated cable row. Pull back, squeezing your shoulder blades. Feel your lats and traps working. Control the release and repeat. Seated cable rows. Pull the bar to your torso, squeezing your back muscles. Control the weight on the way back. Feel the stretch. Repeat for a full set. Begin the seated cable row by pulling the handles toward your lower torso. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the peak of the contraction. Control the weight as you return to the start.